Okay. Hello, good evening.
Trả lời cô đi Bình ơi, An ơi. Cô chào buổi tối kìa. Hello, good evening kìa. Hello lại cô đi.
Hello. Okay, can you see teacher? Yes.
Can you see
Okay.
teacher? Có thấy cô không kìa? Trả lời cô đi.
Can you see me? Oh, can you hear me?
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
Okay. Now may I know what is your name? May I
Tên
know?
của các con là gì? What is your name?
My name is Anne.
Anne. And how about you? How about the other one? What is your name?
Có Bình ở đó không?
Có.
Thế là một đứa học hay hai đứa?
Dạ.
Có một đứa học hay hai đứa đấy? Hai. Thế
Ah,
thì Bình trả lời cô đi. What is your name kìa? Trả lời đi. My name is Bình.
Bình.
okay. Anne and Bing, right?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So nice to meet you. My name is Teacher Rhea. Okay, nice to meet you. How old are you, Anne?
Cô hỏi An kìa. How old are you? Con bao nhiêu tuổi?
Nine.
Oh, 9 years old. How about
Nine.
Bing? Bing, how old are you, Bing?
Nice.
9 also?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So nice to meet you, Anne. Nice to meet you, Bing. Okay. How are you tonight, Anne and Bing? How are you?
How are you kìa con? Cô hỏi là how are you là tối nay cảm thấy thế nào, là happy này, vui hay là buồn, sad? I'm happy or I'm sad? Trả lời cô đi.
I'm happy.
Happy.
I'm happy.
Okay. How about you, Bing? How are you, Bing? Are you happy or are you sad?
I'm happy.
Happy. Okay, that's good. Okay, now, um, do you want to start? Are you ready?
Sẵn sàng chưa
Yes.
con? Yes, I'm ready kìa.
Yes.
Okay, yes, you are ready. Okay, so now let's start to our lesson. Okay, now let's look. So now here we are in Unit 8. Now, can you please read? Okay, can you read on vacation?
On vacation.
Okay, one more time. Vacation.
Vacation.
Okay, very good. Vacation. Now, let's start with this one. Okay, so now we're going to learn about transportation. Can you say transportation?
Transportation.
Okay, one more time. Transportation.
Transportation.
Okay, very good. Transportation. When you say transportation, what comes to your mind when you heard the word transportation?
Cô hỏi con là transportation là cái gì đấy, con hỏi con trả lời là transportation tức là các cái phương tiện đấy. Con trả lời nào là airplanes này, máy bay này, tàu là cái gì này. Rồi ô tô car này, bicycle, thứ này con trả lời cô ấy. Là tức là giải thích là những cái phương tiện đó ấy. Trả
Okay,
lời là
what?
transportation ấy, means the airplanes này,
Mhm.
helicopter này. Đó, trả lời các cái đó.
In the Zeppelin
Airplane.
and car.
Okay, very good. Car. Okay, how about this one? Do you know what is this? Okay. Do you know what is this?
Bike,
Okay, very good. Bike or bicycle. One more time. Bicycle.
bicycle,
Okay, how about you being? Can you say bicycle?
bicycle,
Okay, very good. How about you, Anne? One more time. Bicycle.
bicycle,
Okay, very good. How about this one? What is this? Okay, Anne, what's this? It's a airplane. Can you say airplane?
airplanes,
Okay, how about you being? Can you say airplane?
airplane,
Okay, one more time. Airplane.
airplane.
Okay, very good. Good job. Okay, so now let's have this one. Okay, so before we start to our lesson, let's watch this video.
This is Sarah. She's on vacation in New York. Where's she going to go? She's going to go to Central Park, a museum, and then a restaurant. How's she going to get to these places? She's going to take a taxi. There are many taxis in New York. This is David. He's in New York too. Where's he going to go? He's going to go to the Statue of Liberty. How's he going to get there? He's going to take a ferry. It's a great boat ride to the Statue of Liberty. This is Lee. She lives in Beijing. But today, she's going to go to the Great Wall of China. How's she going to get there? She's going to take the subway. Where are you going to go on vacation? How are you going to get there?
Okay. Okay, now let's have this one. Okay, now listen. Okay, being Anna, listen, point, and say, okay? Okay, now let's have. Okay, let's have the first word. How do you read? How do you say this word? Say taxi.
Taxi,
Okay, one more time. Taxi.
taxi,
Okay,
taxi,
taxi. Okay, how about you being? Being, can you say taxi?
taxi,
Okay, how about you, Anna? Can you say taxi?
taxi,
Okay, very good. Now, how about this word? Ferry. Can you say ferry?
Taxi.
Okay, Anna, can you say ferry? Okay, how about you, Being? Can you say ferry?
Ferry.
Okay, very good. Now we have the third word. Now, can you say subway? Anna, subway. Okay, one more time.
Subway.
Okay, how about you, Being? Subway.
Subway.
Okay, very good. And then our fourth word is gondola.
Gondola.
Okay, one more time, Anna. Gondola.
Gondola.
Okay, very good. How about you, Being? Can you say gondola?
Gondola.
Okay, very good. Now let's have this one. Okay, before we proceed, again, how do you say this word?
Taxi.
Okay, very good. How about you, Being?
Taxi.
Okay, very good. Taxi. And this word, Anna?
Ferry.
Okay, very good. How about Being? Being, what are you?
Ferry.
Okay, very good. Ferry. And how about this word? Anna?
Subway.
Okay, subway.
Subway.
Okay, very good. How about you, Being?
Subway.
Okay, very good. Subway. And then for the last word, how do you read this word? Anne?
Gondola.
Okay, very good. Oh, gondola. One more time. Gondola.
Gondola.
Okay, very good. How about you, Being?
Gondola.
Okay, good job. Gondola. Now, let's have this one. Okay, one more time. How do you read this word? Anna?
Taxi.
Okay, very good. Taxi. Where do we see taxi?
Where do we taxi?
Câu hỏi là con là where do you see taxi, nghĩa là con thấy cái taxi nó ở đâu ấy. On the road, đúng không? Trên đường.
Okay. Okay,
On
very
the
good.
road.
On the road. Okay, good job. On the road. Now, how about you, Being? Where can we see taxi?
On the road.
Okay, can you say on the road?
On the road.
Okay, very good. On the road. Now, how about this one? How do you read this word? And how do you say this word? Ferry. Okay, say ferry. One more time, ferry.
Đọc đi hai đứa ơi, đọc đi. Bình An, ferry, đọc đi kìa.
Okay, very good. Good job. Now, where can we see ferry on and being? Where can we see ferry?
Where can you see ferry đấy con? Con thấy cái phà ở đâu? Cái thuyền ở đâu? trên biển ấy, trên mặt biển ấy, hoặc là trên mặt nước được. Con trả lời đi xem.
Where can we see ferry? On the ocean or on the sea? Okay, let's see this one. On the ocean. Okay. Can you please read? On the ocean.
On
On-
the
Where can we see ferry on ocean?
ocean.
Okay, very good. Now let's have this one. Okay, how do you say this word? How do you say this word? On and being.
How do you say this word kìa? Con đọc cái từ này như nào? Đọc cho con nghe đi. Anh ơi, đọc cho cô nghe từ này đi.
Okay.
Subway ấy.
Subway.
Subway ấy.
Okay, one more time. Subway.
Subway.
Okay, very good. Now, where can we see subway? On and being. Where can we see subway?
Subway.
Okay, very good. Subway. Okay, now listen. We can see subway on the station or on the train station. Okay. Have you seen a subway before on and being?
Con thấy tàu điện ngầm ở đâu chưa? Câu hỏi chưa? Yes or no? Đã từng thấy chưa? Nếu mà có thấy rồi thì yes, mà chưa thì no.
No.
Oh no. Oh, okay. Okay, that's good. Now let's have this one. How do you say this word?
Đọc chữ này đi. Nhớ không?
Subway.
Okay, good job. Can you say gondola? One more time.
Gondola.
Okay, very good. Now, have you seen a gondola before? Yes or no?
No.
No. Oh, okay. Okay, now let's have this one. Okay, now listen, ask, and then answer, okay? Oh, okay, now let's read the sentence. Okay, can you see me? Okay, can you see me on being? Can you
Câu
see
hỏi
me?
có thấy cô không kìa? Câu hỏi hai đứa có thấy cô không? Can you see me? Bạn có thấy tôi không ấy?
Yes?
No.
No?
No.
Okay, how about now? Can you see me now? Yes or no?
No.
No? Oh. Okay. Now, so let's start with the reading this one. Okay. Let's read this one. How is he going to get to the department store? Now, Anne, can you please read the sentence?
Cô bảo đọc cái câu ấy, đọc cái câu cô đang kẻ đỏ đấy. How's he going to get to the department store? Đọc đi An ơi. An đọc xong mình đọc.
Cái dòng nào ấy?
Cái dòng đầu tiên đấy, cô kẻ đỏ đấy, thấy không? Đấy. How's he going to get to đây. Thấy không?
They say,
Đầu tiên.
how's he Okay.
Thầy ơi,
Đọc theo
Uh-huh.
cô đi. Đọc theo cô có thấy
House.
cháu có thấy không? Cháu có thấy cái màn hình của cô không?
không à.
Thế thì chắc là cháu bấm vào đâu rồi à? Có thoát ra không?
Cháu không bấm vào đâu cả, hắn tự mất.
Thế thì teacher, sorry. The student can't see your screen.
Oh,
Please show your screen again.
okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, that's okay. Hmm. Okay, one moment. Okay. Okay, how about now? They can see? Can you see it?
Thấy chưa con? Bây giờ Bình An bây giờ thấy màn hình của cô chưa?
Rồi ạ, thấy rồi nhưng mà anh cứ lắc.
Lag hả? Chắc là do mạng bên đó. Thấy
Okay.
rõ chưa? Được chưa?
Okay, now let's have this one. Can you please read? How's he
How
he
he
going
going
to get
to get
to the
to the
department store?
department store?
Okay, how about you on? Department store.
Department store.
Okay, one more time. Department store.
Department store.
Okay, very good. Now, how about this one? Let's read this. He is going to
to
take a taxi.
take a taxi.
Okay, now, how are you going, or what is this? What is this, An and Bing?
What is this đây? Câu hỏi what is this là cái gì đây? Con trả lời nào. This is a car. Đây là cái ô tô thì trả lời nào. This is a taxi. Taxi.
Màn hình tới rồi.
Okay, can you say, this is a taxi?
This and taxi.
Okay, very good. This is a taxi. Now, how about this one? Can you please read? How's she
How to see
going
going
to get to
to get to
the department store?
the department store?
Okay, very good. How about this one? She is going
She is going
to
to
take a taxi.
take and taxi.
Okay, one more time. Taxi.
Taxi.
Okay, very good. Now, how about this one? Can you please read? Okay, can you please read this one? An and Bing. How
How
are
are
they going
they going
to get
to get
to the
to the
department store?
department store?
Okay, now how are they going to get to the department store? Can you please read this one?
How he's going to get to the
Department store.
department store.
Okay, very good. How about this one? Can you please read? They're going
They going
to
to
take
take
a
a
taxi.
taxi.
Okay, very good. Now let's have the next one. Okay, now let's one more time. Let's read. How do you read this word? An
Đọc chữ đi con, có thấy nhìn thấy không? Chữ đầu tiên không? Take a taxi ấy, có thấy không?
Cái dòng đầu tiên thì
Đúng rồi, dòng đầu tiên đấy. Cô kẻ ô đừng cái đường line ở dưới ấy, dưới chân đấy. Nhìn thấy không? Đỏ đỏ đấy. Đấy, cái bút của cô đấy, đọc cái câu đấy đi.
Okay, can you say take a taxi?
take a taxi.
Okay, very good. How about you being? Can you say take a taxi?
Take a taxi.
Okay, very good. Now, how about this one, Anne? How do you say these words? Take a gondola.
Take a
Gondola.
Angola.
Okay, how about you being? Can you please read? Take a gondola.
Gondola.
Okay, very good. Now, how about this one? Anne, how are you going to read this? Take
Take
a
a
ferry.
ferry.
Okay, very good. How about you being? How are you going to read this? Take
Take
a
a
ferry.
ferry.
Okay, good job. And then the last one, can you say, Anne, how are you going to read this? Take
Take
a
a
subway.
ferry.
Okay, very good. How about you being? Can you please read? Take
Take
a
a
subway.
subway.
Okay, very good. Okay, now let's have the next one. Okay, so listen and read. Now let's have this one. Okay, Anne, can you please read the sentence? This woman
This woman
is
is
from
from
New York.
New York.
Okay, so this woman is from New York. How about number 2? Okay, now Bing, can you please read the sentence, Bing? This
This
woman
woman
is
is
from
from
New York.
New York.
Okay, very good. Now, how about this number 2? Let's have the number 2, Anne. Can you please read the sentence? This
This
boy
boy
is
is
in
in
Venice.
Venice.
Okay, very good. How about you, Bing? Can you please read the sentence? This
Yes,
boy
boy
is in Venice.
is in Venice.
Okay, very good. Now, let's have the number 3. Okay, now, Anne, can you please read the sentence? These people
These people
work
was
in
in
New York.
New York.
Okay, very good. Now, how about you, Bing? Can you please read the sentence? These
Yes,
people
people
work
work
in
in
New York.
New York.
Okay, very good, Bing. Okay, now let's have Anne. Number 4, Anne. Can you please read the sentence? This
This
family
family
is
is
in
in
Venice.
Venice.
Okay, very good. Now, how about you, Bing? Can you please read the sentence? This.
Yes, our mom is from New York.
Okay, this family okay, can you say this family
His family
is in Venice?
is in Venice.
Okay, very good, Anne and Bing. Okay, now let's have this one. Let's answer this question. Okay. Okay, now can you please read, Anne? The woman
And the woman
is
is
going
going
to take
to take
a taxi.
a taxi.
Okay, what is your answer? True or false?
True or false?
Okay, what is your answer? Okay, so now let's look at the answer. The answer is, okay, how do you read this one? True. Can you say true?
True.
Okay, very good. How about number 2? Let's read the number 2. The boy,
That boy,
okay, one more time. The boy
that boy
is
is
going
going
to take
to chase
a ferry.
a ferry.
Okay, very good. And how about you, Bing? Can you please read? The boy
The boy
is
is
going
going
to take
to take
a ferry.
a ferry.
Okay, very good, Bing. Now, let's have Anne. Let's read the number 3. The family
Your family
is
is
going
going
to take
to take
the subway.
your subway.
Okay, very good. Now, how about you, Bing? Can you please read? The family
Your family
is
is
going
going
to take
to take
the subway.